Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drink GNC Weight Gainer. First, always check the product label for specific serving instructions. Typically, you'll mix the recommended amount of powder with about 16 to 20 ounces of water, milk, or your favorite beverage. Using a blender or a shaker bottle ensures a smooth, lump-free drink, which is key for enjoyable consumption. Timing is crucial for effective weight gain. Many find it beneficial to consume a serving immediately after their workout to aid muscle recovery and growth. You can also drink a serving between meals to significantly increase your daily calorie intake. Some individuals even opt for a half serving before bed to provide sustained nutrient delivery overnight. To make your weight gainer shake even better, consider adding extra ingredients. For example, blending in 1 banana or 1/2 cup of berries can boost vitamins and flavor. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter adds healthy fats and more calories. For a thicker, colder, and more refreshing drink, simply blend it with a few ice cubes. Remember, a weight gainer is a supplement, not a meal replacement. It works best when combined with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and a consistent exercise routine. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also very important. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.